And review of Esim KnowRoaming. And for modern globetrotters and frequent travelers, staying connected is necessary. KnowRoaming is a solution that promises to simplify international roaming and provide seamless global connectivity. In this nice review, we will explore various aspects of KnowRoaming, including price, customer service, international roaming, connectivity, purchasing options, and highlight the pros and cons and leading you to a nice conclusion. The price. KnowRoaming offers a range of international data plans and SIM cards, making it versatile for different traveler needs. Pricing varies based on destination and data package selected. While it may not always be most budget-friendly option for data-heavy users, KnowRoaming provides a balance between convenience and cost-effectiveness, allowing travelers to choose plans that match their budgets and data requirements. Then off to customer service. KnowRoaming offers accessible customer support through various channels, including email and chat. The support team is generally responsive and helpful, assisting users with setup troubleshooting and answering nice questions. This contributes positively to overall user experience, especially when travelers require assistance during their journey. So that's nice to know. International roaming functionality. KnowRoaming excels in international roaming capabilities. Users can choose to purchase international SIM cards or use the KnowRoaming SIM sticker, which adheres to their existing SIM card. This innovative solution provides voice, text, and data services, ensuring comprehensive connectivity while abroad. KnowRoaming's network selection technology enhances the user experience by automatically connecting to the local network for optimal service quality. Well, the connectivity of KnowRoaming offers robust global coverage, enabling travelers to stay connected in numerous countries and regions. This is particularly valuable for those who need reliable voice and data services without the hassle of purchasing and swapping local SIM cards. KnowRoaming's extensive network support enhances its appeal among international travelers. But how do you buy it? Purchasing KnowRoaming SIM cards or SIM stickers is a straightforward process. Users can visit the KnowRoaming website to explore available options, select the plan or sticker that suits their travel needs, and make the secure online payment. Activation and setup instructions are generally clear and user-friendly. Also good to know. Well, we dive into the pros, cons, and then I have a good conclusion for you. Comprehensive connectivity. KnowRoaming offers voice, text, and data services, providing a complete solution for travelers. Global coverage. Extensive network support ensures connectivity in the most travel destinations. Versatile plans. Users can choose from various data plans and SIM card options. Innovative SIM stickers. The SIM stickers adhere to your existing SIM card, simplifying the process. Responsive customer support. Accessible support channels enhance the overall user experience. Well, there are some cons. Pricing considerations. KnowRoaming may not always be the most budget-friendly option for data-heavy users. Device compatibility. Users should ensure that their devices are compatible with KnowRoaming SIM card and network frequencies. And then now, the conclusion. And then at the end, I want to thank you. KnowRoaming is a versatile and dependable solution for travelers seeking seamless international roaming and comprehensive global connectivity. With a wide range of data packages, SIM card options, and extensive network coverage, it caters effectively to the needs of digital nomads and frequent travelers. Its innovative SIM sticker technology simplifies connectivity by adhering to your existing SIM card, and its network selection technology ensures optimal service quality. While pricing may not always be the most economical for data-heavy users, KnowRoaming offers a user-friendly platform with responsive customer support, making it an excellent choice for staying connected worldwide. Well guys, if you're not sure if you want to buy this eSIM KnowRoaming. You can watch my other reviews. I reviewed other eSIM cards, so you make the best choice for your travel needs. I want to thank you a lot for watching this video, making it to the end, and I hope to see you in another video. Give me a thumbs up if you like it, or give me a subscription to my channel, and see you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye.